guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am visiting a salon after 6 months and today I'm at Afro Siri, which is at Westlands Kendrick Towers. I'm going to try the knotless braids and I'm going to take you along the process, so stay tuned. So just a bit itchy.
A bit itchy? Okay, especially when you have braids, even when...
No, I've not braided for like 6 months.
Wow.
So I think it's hormones. I think it's hormones.
Okay. I can see your hair is very healthy.
Yeah,
it's taken care of. So we are going to use the scalp care range from Mizani. So we are going to start with the, because I can see your hair, it's not that flaky,
It's not so clean also. It's been a month.
It's been a month. Okay. So you're going to start with the scalp care shampoo. So both products, the shampoo and the conditioner, they both have the pyridine zinc. So it's going, that pyridine zinc helps to alleviate your dandruffs. And then also with time, continuous usage of the products going to reduce the occurrence of the dandruff and the itchiness.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can feel it so soothing. So if you decide to use the shampoo, it's good to stay with it for like 3-5 minutes before you rinse it off. Yeah, because it's so soothing. I can't even explain. If you have an itchy scalp, this is for you. Yeah. But trust me, it feels like a massage. I want to sleep. So the idea here is just to start with a very small piece of braiding hair. Some people start with the hair itself, but we found that was not going to last long, so we just started with a small piece of braiding hair. Then after you've done a bit of the 3 strands, you add a bit of the braiding hair again and again and again, like 3 times before now you complete your braid out. The idea is just to reduce the weight and tension around your hair, and this is very good, in fact, if your hairline is very weak. It was a very pain-free braiding session, and I totally loved how light the braids felt after this. So it took us around 4 hours to complete, and I was not able to capture the ending where we dipped the braids in hot water, but the next day, this is just how my hair looked. It's very light. I just love this hairstyle. It's very light, it's very comfortable. So on care and maintenance, I just neaten my edges with this cream of nature gel, and I also use the Mizani scalp care lotion, which is very good if you have an itchy scalp, if you've been struggling with an itchy scalp, especially after you braid your hair. This lotion is very calming, very soothing, and so I just massage it in daily before I proceed to style. I was going for a shoot, so I just opted to throw in this hair tie that I got from, I think, a page called Eva Beauty, and then voila. So someone wanted to say hi here. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the whole process. Have you tried knotless braids? Are you going to try them? Let me know what you think about the final look and knotless braids in general. See you on the next video.